We appreciate you joining us on this treat of a Monday. We have had a break from the rainy weather. We do have some changes in the forecast coming our way. First alert weather day has been issued for your Wednesday, and here are the details on the storm. First and foremost, a oppressive storm with some serious strength will be making its way through. There's some thunder, there's some lightning, there's some wind gusts over 40 miles per hour possible. There's a mix of rain and snow in our forecast as we go through the upcoming 48 hours. Here's a look at what the storm system looks like as we pause it on Wednesday. It will already have been snowing for a good 12 hours in portions of eastern Montana and eastern Wyoming. That spreads into the westernmost part of the Dakotas. We don't have snow to worry about here. For us, by Wednesday morning, we'll have some bands of showers moving through. The wind picks up and becomes easterly. Warm side of the storm here, obviously the cold side where the snow is taking place, and bands of heavy rain. Here's the center of low pressure marked by the center of isobars. And meteorologists watch this track. It's really important. Now, as we go through the midday hours, if the storm makes its way up into the Southern Valley by midday when that heat starts increasing during the heat of the day, then the timing would be just right for a few what we call low top supercell type thunderstorms. There will be some spin in the atmosphere. We're going to watch that closely. So Hutch is concerned about a chance for some strong thunderstorm activity, even though we won't mainly see huge hail. There will be some spin in the atmosphere. We're going to watch that. Nonetheless, locally, very heavy rain moving through. The good news is the heavy rain spins out of here fairly quickly, so we won't have rainfall amounts like we had this past weekend, but we will have locally heavy rainfall with this. Then on the backside, by Thursday mid-morning, the wind becomes gusty out of the northwest, ushering in colder air, and we will have trailing showers as well. 1/3 of an inch for many in blue, up to around an inch where you see the green colors, and this is obviously going to change depending on that track. And depending on the timing, some may see white out in the west. But right now, looks like the big sky country of Montana from, say, Glendive all the way out to Miles City and maybe pretty close to the Billings area and down towards Ekalaka. That's always fun to say. 4 to 8 inches of shovel trouble. We're talking wet, heavy, sticky, white stuff. Check that chance for the northern lights. You're looking at our home of economy camera, Devil's Lake, North Dakota right now. And I do see some green about 10 degrees above the northern horizon. Those are the northern lights live right now from Devil's Lake. Get out, get away from the city lights, look to the north, up about 10 degrees above the horizon, the emerald green you see there. Stunning. All right, your current conditions here in the FM area, 47 degrees. It's dry with dew points in the low 40s. That means pretty chilly overnight. Light wind now. Under 10 miles per hour from the north-northwest, 39 already in Devil's Lake, 41 Jamestown. How about 50 for the Detroit Lakes area? So milder to the south and to the east. Babe, the Blue Ox has 45. Tonight, quiet, clear skies and a pretty good viewing of the northern lights as we saw right now. By morning, that viewing potential could change even though the northern lights may be there as high clouds start to punch in. Temperatures will be in the mid-30s for some in the Devil's Lake Basin and central Minnesota. That's where it could be cool enough for some patchy, isolated areas of frost. All right, going through the first part of your day tomorrow, temperatures warm but very slowly. It'll be cloudy early, but a peak of some sun in the afternoon will allow temperatures to be back up towards seasonable and very close to what we saw today. Throughout the day, the wind becomes more easterly out of the east, and it increases late today, and by the evening hours, here comes the storm. The snow will already have been going in places like the Black Hills and moving up into the oil patch as well. And that's what's heading our way as we showed you for your Thursday. Gosh, that is just so beautiful. 43 to start your morning in Fargo-Moorhead. Temperatures will rise in the afternoon to near 60. Then the clouds really build in late after seeing a little bit of sunshine early. Wind becomes easterly or southeasterly and could begin to be quite gusty into the overnight hours. 49 for your afternoon ride home from work in Langdon and in Devil's Lake. Jamestown, 54 for your late day forecast. Temperatures 60 or so in Lakes Country and here in the southern valleys as we'll enjoy a seasonable day. This weekend was a wet one indeed, with anywhere from 1/2 of an inch to around an inch in the FM area and 4 inches just off to the west. This one from the Devil's Lake area. Thank you, Jared, for sharing that double rainbow. First alert weather day on Wednesday. Strong storms a possibility. We cool off on Thursday as the rain ends. Friday morning could bring patchy frost, but it could be indeed more widespread, including in the FM area. So it's another first alert weather day for Saturday. Then after that, we're talking pretty quiet and seasonable for late in the weekend and next week. There's another look. That's so cool. Northern
It really
Lights.
is.
Look at that. We should have a
Beautiful.
background like that every night.
We should.
Green. Go take a look.
Recommend it.
Yes.
Get out there.